Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on the very important updates coming forward related to TCS MQT 2026. So finally next phase interview result has been out. So in this video I will talk about the reason updates and other things. So first of all, you can see one of the comments and one of the those candidates who have given the mock interview to me. Finally she got the selections and she just mailed them. Okay, so she is from the Kolkata region, and beside that the candidates from various region like Pune, Indore, Maharashtra, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and the region are getting. You can see this one the comment from my YouTube channel. From Noida campus, my interview on 1st May, and today I got the document verification. So those candidates who have given interview on 1st May, 4, 5, 7th, and before also, they are getting the mail. So first of all, congratulations to all of them who got the interview. Now please comment here so that other student will get idea. So comment here the date of interview and when you got the result and your reason so that other student will get clarity. So now friends, there are two things happening actually. Some of the students are directly getting the offer letter, and for some candidates they are getting the basically document verification mail. So if you got the document verification mail, then you will get the offer letter soon. No need to worry. You can see this is the status of one of the candidates. So he applied for on 15th March 2026. Application received 23rd April, 24th April batched, and 18th May offer letter generated, and 18th May accepted. So this is actually the phase is going on. The main things I want to tell friends, you have to be patient. Okay, many of the candidates are DM me and commenting that whether I will selected or not. It has been 1 month or 15 days, so I am not getting the mail yet. So you should be patient, because candidates who have given interview 1 month before also they are getting the result now. So no one know. Okay, besides that, assessment results are also happening in this way only. Just for first and second phases only, the process was very speedy, and candidates are getting within a week or within a month, means within a 10 to 15 days. But now they are taking some time, so you have to be patient. But yeah, besides looking for this, you should look for some other important opportunity. Okay, we are regularly posting lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel, so just follow that and make sure to apply all those things. Okay, don't be tensed. Okay, and again saying, don't depend on just a single company. Keep applying for other drive. Either you are getting the selections or not, you should keep applying. Okay, one day you will land a job. No need to worry. Now talking about the friends, all region I have already said. So candidates from the Kolkata, means many candidates from Kolkata region, they are getting the mail, and from the Noida, from the Hyderabad, from Trivandrum, from Chennai, and from other region like Lucknow and other students are getting. So comment here. Okay, so this is the short updates. Now remaining result friends, you will getting soon. Remember friends, currently they have also deployed some of the candidates now, so training is going on. So might happen that whenever training will be completed for that candidate, then you might get the result. So you have to be patient enough. And what is the next process? So post getting this, the BGC will be activated. And now friends, one of the important things I want to tell, make sure to make all those documents whatever the requirement they are asking. So I related to BGC process, I have already made detailed video, so you can just go through that and follow that. So important document that you will require is class 10, 12 mark sheets and all those certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card, and you have to apply for the passport. You have to apply for the SIR card, means CSIR card. So I have already made a detailed video, means from there you only will get the TPIN. And if you have done some certifications, professional certification, then you can also add there. Okay, so this is the short updates. Again saying friends, if you got the result, first of all congratulations and best of luck for your future journey. And कोई भी query feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, or anywhere. You can ask your query and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So this is just short updates for the next. Whenever any other further updates will come, I will provide all those updates here. So make sure to subscribe that so that you will not miss any update. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.